Hello students, today in this video we will learn about sentences which is given in your book chapter 1. First of all, do you know what is a sentence? Sentence क्या होता है? क्या किसी को पता है? Okay, let's see what is a sentence. A group of words that make complete sense is called a sentence. I will repeat it again. A group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. Sentence एक words का group होता है जो हमें complete meaning देता है, full meaning देता है कि वो sentence हम जब read करते हैं तो हमें पता चलता है कि उसका meaning क्या है, वो हमें उस sentence से हमें क्या पता चलता है. तो a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Repeat it again. A group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. Suppose some groups of words are shown. Recognize and tell whether they are sentences or not. यहाँ कुछ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स है जिसे हमें रिकॉग्नाइज करना है और बताना है कि ये सेंटेंसेस है या नहीं. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज बुक माई दिस. हियर यू कैन सी हियर आर 4 वर्ड्स इन ग्रुप. सो इज बुक माई दिस. तो क्या ये आपको मीनिंग दे रहा है? कुछ इसका कुछ अर्थ निकल रहा है? इज बुक माई दिस. नहीं ना, इसका कोई अर्थ नहीं निकल रहा है, इसका कोई मीनिंग नहीं निकल रहा है. तो अब हम इसको क्या करेंगे? हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि ये करेक्ट सेंटेंस है या नहीं? इज बुक माई दिस इज अ करेक्ट सेंटेंस और नॉट? नो, इट इज नॉट अ करेक्ट सेंटेंस. सो when we will rearrange it in a meaningful sentence, it will be, you can see it down, is book my this. After rearranging, the sentence will be, this is my book. ये मेरी book है. You got the difference? Is book my this is not a proper sentence, so we will rearrange it and we will say, this is my book. Now the second sentence is, lie, tell, and never should you. So this is not an appropriate sentence. After rearranging, the sentence will be, you should never tell a lie. You should never tell a lie. Now there are some special points that you should have to remember while writing a sentence. The first one is, to form a sentence, every word has to be placed at its appropriate place so as to make a complete sense. जिस तरीके से हम लोगों ने लास्ट एग्जाम्पल में देखा, बुक वाले एग्जाम्पल में इस बुक माई दिस, ये कोई सेंस नहीं बन रहा था, तो हम लोगों ने क्या किया? उसको रीअरेंज कर लिया, दिस इज माई बुक. सेम उसी तरीके से इसमें होगा कि हर एक वर्ड अपने अपने प्लेस पर रहेंगे. एग्जाम्पल, ब्यूटीफुल इज दिस प्लेस. दिस प्लेस इज ब्यूटीफुल. नाउ the second point is, the first word of a sentence always begins with a capital letter. Ram is a boy. No matter what kind of sentence it is, the first word of the sentence will always start from capital letter. In example, you can see Ram is a boy. Here the first word is Ram, and in Ram the first letter Ram, R-A-M, Ram, the first letter is in capital letter. Now the third point is, a sentence must end either with a full stop, a question mark और an exclamation mark. Sentence हमेशा full stop, question mark या फिर exclamation mark से ही end होता है. और ये डिपेंड करता है, ये मार्क किस पे डिपेंड करता है कि वो किस काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंस है, which type of sentence is that. So on the basis of the kind of sentence, the mark is dependent. Now our next topic is the phrase. Do you know the meaning of phrase? Let's see what is a phrase. A phrase is a group of words that make sense but not complete sense. फ्रेज भी एक ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड होता है, जिस तरीके से सेंटेंस ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड होता है, सेम उसी तरीके से फ्रेज भी एक ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड होता है. बट हियर इज अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस. सेंटेंस गिव्स अस अ फुल एंड कंप्लीट मीनिंग, बट द फ्रेज डज नॉट गिव अस फुल और कंप्लीट मीनिंग अबाउट द सेंटेंस. सेंटेंस हमें फुल मीनिंग देता है, लेकिन फ्रेज हमें कंप्लीट मीनिंग नहीं देता है. फ्रेज इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड दैट मेक सेंस बट नॉट कंप्लीट सेंस. फ्रेज ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड है जो कि कुछ मीनिंग देता है, कुछ सेंस देता है, लेकिन फुल कंप्लीट मीनिंग नहीं देता है. हेयर आर सम एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ phrases. The first one is in the playground. You can see in the playground. It senses that सिर्फ प्लेग्राउंड में. तो प्लेग्राउंड में क्या होता है वो उसका मीनिंग हमें यहाँ पे नहीं पता चल रहा है. यहाँ पे बस है इन द प्लेग्राउंड. सिमिलरली लास्ट इवनिंग. थर्ड, एट द बस स्टॉप. These were the examples of phrase. Now we will see our next topic, that is kinds of sentences. Does anyone know how many kinds of sentences are there? Anyone? Okay. Now we will see how many kinds of sentences are there. There are 4 kinds of sentences we may use when we write. They are declarative sentence, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, exclamatory sentence. सेंटेंस के 4 काइंड्स होते हैं, 4 प्रकार होते हैं. सबसे पहला डेक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस. इन योर बुक इट हैज़ बीन गिवन असर्टिव सेंटेंस. डेक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस एंड असर्टिव सेंटेंस बोथ आर सेम. सेकेंड, इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. थर्ड, imperative sentence. And fourth, exclamatory sentences. Let us study the kinds of sentences deeply. Here we will study deeply what does these kinds of sentences mean. The first one is declarative sentence or assertive sentence. A declarative sentence makes a statement. It is punctuated by a period. Declarative sentence एक statement होता है जो कि correct statement होता है. It is a true statement. or a declarative sentence asserts something. Declarative sentence asserts something. It is also known as assertive sentence. That states something. A sentence that states something is known as assertive sentence. This type of sentence simply affirms or denies something. ये कुछ बताता है, कुछ affirm करता है, कुछ deny करता है. And this ends with a full stop. ये किससे end होता है? ये full stop से end होता है. You can see some of the examples given there. Now here are some more examples on declarative sentence. The first one is the sky is blue. I am a 3rd grade student. We will go to the movies tomorrow. He is a great reader. We have a program in the morning. Our class is having a party on Friday. These were the examples of assertive sentences. Now the second type of sentence is interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence asks a question. It ends with a question mark. Interrogative sentence वो sentence होता है जिसमें हमसे कुछ question किया जाता है. A sentence that is used to ask a question is called interrogative sentence. और ये sentence हमेशा किससे end होता है? Question mark से end होता है. Yes, you can see a question mark. For example, where are you? Where do you live? At last, you can see there is a question mark in the examples. Now here are some more examples of interrogative sentences. The first one is, can you repeat the question? Are we going to have a recess today? What is your favorite movie? How do you answer this question? Do you have an extra pencil? At last you can see in all the sentence there are interrogative mark, that is question mark. Now the third kind of sentence is imperative sentence. An imperative sentence gives us a command. Imperative sentence वो sentence होता है जो हमें command देता है, advice देता है, request हो, जिस sentence को पढ़ के लगे कि जिसमें command आ रहा हो, advice आ रहा हो या हमसे कुछ request किया जा रहा हो, ये imperative sentence होता है. और ये sentence हमेशा end with a period. Here it is written it is a period. which means a full stop. It ends with a full stop. Example, go to your room, throw me the ball. Some more examples of imperative sentences. See, you can look in the example, it has been divided into two parts. First one as a command and second one as a request. Let's read the example. The first one as a command, get the flag quickly, keep off the grass. And the second one as a request, can you help me find my shoes? Please return to your seats. Now, the fourth kind of sentence is exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence expresses strong feeling, great emotion or excitement. It ends with an exclamation mark. एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस जो हमारे खुद की फीलिंग को, इमोशन को, हैप्पीनेस, सॉरो, पेन, अट्रैक्शन, सरप्राइज, इन सारी चीज़ों को बताता है, दर्शाता है। ये सारी हमारी जो फीलिंग्स होती है इनको बताता है और ये हमेशा किससे एंड होता है? ये एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क से एंड होता है। इन एग्जाम्पल यू कैन सी some more examples are given here. Have a look. What a beautiful day. I am angry. You did a great job. I love the color of your room. You won the prize. That is a huge win. At last of this example, you can see an exclamation mark is given. So these were the examples of exclamatory sentences. Hope you are now cleared with all the four types of sentences and their meaning. The first, declarative sentence, which is also known as assertive. The second, interrogative sentence. Third, imperative sentence, and the fourth, exclamatory sentences.